Today on the Green.
Welcome to Today on the Green.
We're your hosts, Ethan and Joey.
So, what happened today?
I learned two really important things. In life, I want to make a lot of money, and I want to have a hot chick by my side.
Well, you're stuck with me.
Anyway, the pop show is tonight at the BCA.
7 o'clock.
Yeah.
$15 tickets. Also, there was an assembly today.
That's how bad I was. I was able to get out there, I was able to keep moving forward, make a difference. But I made a difference because I realized that responding to events is what matters. And you may not be able to see the slide up there, but I hope you remember this the next time you come into a difficult situation. 10% of life is what happens to you.
The assembly was where a police officer or ex-police officer, I don't really know, came and talked to us about stuff. I guess it was about prom.
I'm not sure. I think you just have to perceive it differently.
I gotta change my perception. The one thing I learned from this assembly is that you always have to fight for your breath.
Thank you for tuning into Today on the Green.
Stop. Prom.
Oh, right.
So prom is on Saturday. I think the last day to buy tickets was yesterday, so too bad if you didn't.
Did you get a ticket?
Did you get a ticket?
Thank you for tuning into Today on the Green. Come back tomorrow to see what happens today on the Green.
Tomorrow!